It takes practice to maintain a happy mindset. If you struggle with positive thinking, understand that you won't be able to entirely transform your self-talk habit overnight. It can be difficult for persons with negative attitudes to modify their ways of thinking. 1. Always remember to be thankful. You can be thankful for many things in your life, both big and small, such as having your family nearby or the rain staying away while you go to work. When you're feeling down or unhappy, think about things you're grateful for in your life to lift your spirits. 2. Get plenty of rest. Are you getting enough sleep every night, or are you attempting to? Being well rested prepares you for a more productive day. It allows us to rejuvenate and complete our tasks. Dwelling on how exhausted you are will also not assist your attitude. 3. Accept things as they are. If you're in a bad circumstance, it's pointless to be in denial and pretend it never happened. Recognize your point of control. Accept what you can't alter and try to focus on the good instead. 4. Identify problem areas. Is there a specific scenario or place that makes you extremely pessimistic? If you can identify the factors that are interfering with your positive view, you may begin to develop solutions. It could be something as simple as your commute to work that causes you to have negative thoughts. 5. Don't forget to laugh. Trying to find humor in your daily life can help you see the bright side. It also aids in stress management and heart rate reduction, potentially boosting your physical health. 6. Keep it real. While we adore the benefits of positive thinking, it is important to remember to keep your perspective practical and sensible. Only thinking about pleasant things eliminates any thoughts about how you might respond or prepare for something negative. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.